We're going to look for people with their dogs. That's my goal, but maybe we'll find something else too. I think we're gonna go that way, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, how are you? Hey, great. I'm doing portraits and I talked like with people and the dogs. Maybe I can take your photo and send it to you if you want.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. You want maybe next to the... Perfect, thanks. What's his name?
Ruby and Sav.
Oh, okay. Ask about the dog, but that's good.
Sunny.
Sunny, great. Yes, sorry, one more, sorry. I'm getting closer, don't be scared. Thank you so much, have a great day. Okay. I have thoughts.
What's your thoughts?
The camera was so offsetting and...
Yeah, but you could just say just a moment.
No, it's cute.
Please.
I will get a good photo. Let me try to show them. So I have a lot of those, like you see their faces are very, very in a shadow. So maybe I shouldn't point them towards...
Yeah, but do
the beach.
as you do with any other photography. When you're taking a flower, for instance, you're pausing for a moment just to set your camera. Don't be...
I'm in a rush because...
They already said yes.
I know.
So...
I know, you're so right. I felt the pressure to do it fast. Like
so
now I'm thinking about it. I shouldn't pose them to the beach. It's stupid because you can't really see the beach on that photo. It's behind these bars. So it looks very fake. And the sun is over there. So I should pose them like with the face toward the sun. My shutter speed was 1/5000. My f was f10 when I took it. And the problem was that when I got to the right exposure with the background, then the face was very dark. So I can obviously recover that. Yeah, I will fix it in post, but it still sucks because I could have just posed them differently and get a better result. That's totally fine. I'm learning. I have to maybe think in advance. Like it's different from regular. Sorry that I'm interrupting you. Just thinking out loud. Maybe think in advance. Like where do I want the photo to be, and then approach the people. You get it? What do you want to say?
Yeah, I just wanted to say, just take a moment. You know, set your settings before. If you see, you know, as you'll see with any other photo.
Yeah.
Watch the settings, see if it fits, and if it doesn't, just hold on for a moment. You know, they won't go anywhere, for sure.
You're right. Now I'm thinking
you don't
like...
have to feel pressured to do it right now, now.
So I'm going right now and I'm thinking, like if I would pose someone right now, where do I want to take this photo? It's been so long since I felt like I'm learning so much about a new type of photography. You get it? Like,
yeah, that's so much fun.
Yeah, it's really fun. Oh, I see a couple with...
Yeah, it was too much.
Let me try to approach them. I think I will get a note right now.
You want me to follow you?
I don't know. Hey, how are you? Excuse me. Hey, I'm doing portrait for a couple with their dogs. Maybe I can take your portrait and send it to you if you want. It will be very quick. Okay, maybe I can just take a portrait of the dog. Yeah, that's perfect. Enjoy. I felt I will get it.
Klaus's the dog likes the camera.
Actually, it was very, very nice dog to photograph. I'm glad I asked them. Let me show you.
Did you adjust?
Yeah, I adjust. It's like, he's cute. He's cute. Aperture f1.8. He's sharp. 1/6000.
That's a great photo.
Yeah, I love it. So that's it.
Okay, so in this case, they didn't want to
I
photograph
felt that,
with
you know?
the dog, or
they didn't want. They said they didn't feel comfortable.
Okay.
Taking the photos. So I asked if that's okay to take. Yeah, thanks.
I'm not the only one who liked it.
They asked if I asked if that's okay to take just dogs portrait.
Yeah, you're just stressed when it comes to people.
You're right.
Because with flowers, you can adjust yourself for several minutes.
That's why I love flowers. That's why I love flowers.
Yeah, but you want to try new things, right?
But that adrenaline is really cool.
It has its own satisfaction.
What are you saying?
I don't know.
Guys, let me know.
I wouldn't approach personally.
Hi. I was just about to approach you. Maybe I can take your portrait with sitting on this bench. You look very cool with the hair and the coffee and everything. Yeah, great. Thanks.
You can't say no to
I didn't
her.
want to interrupt you.
It's amazing.
Thank you for posing. Thank you so much. What's your name? Amit. Nice to meet you, Gefen. Have a great day. That was the photo of the day.
Really?
That was the photo of the day. Let me show you on the shot.
Take it.
Did I take a video of it? No, I didn't take a video of that.
Yeah, but I did.
That's okay.
From the side.
Yeah.
Still.
So I have a lot of those, and if you zoom out, I can see the whole building behind. Yeah, this one I really love.
Every time with each photo, you
Yeah.
learn something
Yes,
new.
I feel that.
You focus on something. It's okay. It's
I
good.
feel that. You guys, thank you so much for joining us, although it's Easter, and if you're watching it later, happy Easter. I wanted to say again how much I appreciate you all and how much fun, and not only fun, I just feel like it pushes me to do a lot more than I will do without you. You get it?
Yeah. I did.
That's good. Good enough. That's it. Love you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.